please, a moment of silence for the Canon 80D. Just kidding. This camera's not going anywhere, guys. Yeah, it's taking a temporary back seat, but I love the 80D. It's the best camera I've ever bought myself. It's incredible. But there's time for something new. Let's talk. Hello guys, how are you? David Franco here from kit.com/DavidFranco. That's the website right below. Boom, it's always linked right below. You guys can go there to see all my PC parts, my photography gear, my video game collections. Everything is there. kit.com/DavidFranco. And sign up for Kit yourself. No, I'm not being paid to say that. I just love Kit. It's a great site. Anyway, okay, so today's video is all about cameras. I love cameras. I've used many cameras over the years. I've returned several cameras over the years. But yeah, overall, I've had a positive experience with most cameras I've owned. And well, while I love my Canon 80D, like I've made very clear, it's a fantastic camera. It's just so damn big. Like, it's a big camera. And that doesn't really bother me all that much. But sometimes there's those moments where I don't want to bring such a big camera around. Hence why I tend to bring my GoPro with me. And that's why I use this every single day, pretty much, for the patrons only of vlog. Yes, weekly exclusive vlogs. Love it. That's also found right below if you want to sign up for Patreon. But yeah, anyway, this video is not about Patreon. This video is all about cameras. So let's focus on the camera I bought myself today. The Sony RX100 Mark V. Not Mark IV, Mark V. Apparently this has significantly better autofocus than the Mark IV. Not only that, but I believe it has the best autofocus you can get in a point-and-shoot camera in this price range. Now I say in this price range loosely because this camera cost me about $950. But hey, it's an investment. This is what I do. This is my life. I love YouTube. And I just love, you know, making videos. I love making videos. So I figured I'd finally treat myself to this. The Sony RX100 is one of those cameras people have asked me about for a while now. It's like, David, why don't you just get this camera? And I'm like, a little too expensive. And then I got the Canon 80D, which is arguably more expensive with RAM. I just installed RAM in my PC. With lenses, microphones, batteries, and all that stuff. But anyway, I got a great deal. I got the Ultimate RX100 bundle, I'm calling it. Just like my Canon 80D, I didn't just get the camera. I got a whole bundle with the camera. So I'll talk about this in a minute. So what came in this RX100 bundle? Well, you get a $10 off coupon from buydig.com. I don't want it. So if you guys want to use that on some kind of camera accessory or a tablet or drone even, feel free. Seriously, use that code. $10, guys, $10. It's the least I could do. Alright, so in this bundle, you get a bunch of stuff, including a spare battery. Because I will say, per my research, the Sony RX100 Mark V doesn't have the best battery life, but it's a point-and-shoot. What do you expect? So you'll definitely want to have a couple spare batteries handy. So there you go, Vivitar. Also, it's 1400 milliamp hours, so there you go. But of course, it's not it, guys. We're just getting started, so grab a drink, grab a snack, whatever. I have a lot of accessories to go through. Now, honestly, most of these accessories I'm not going to use, but some of them I will be using daily. Okay, so this is a memory card reader. Pretty self-explanatory, USB. You can use it to plug in your memory cards directly via USB. Boom, love it. I forgot there's a bunch of stuff in my lap. Another spare battery, so that's 2 total. Well, actually, counting the one that comes in the box, that's 3 total. Not bad, and actually, I have another battery coming tomorrow with a USB charger I ordered officially from Sony. So it was a little expensive. It was like 50 bucks. But I'll talk about that in the weekend of vlog. We have an AC/DC turbo travel charger. Just your typical battery charger. But hey, you need it. Deluxe starter kit. This is a bunch of little things in a single bag. Interesting. Okay. So in this bag, we have a mini tripod, which I doubt I'll ever use because I like the Pixie Mini tripod. Excellent, excellent tripod. Some kind of grid paper. I don't know what that is. Don't need it. Oh, a cap to the cleaning solution. The cap came off. My fault. There you go. Cleaning solution for spraying your lens or whatever, or your display to clean it. Memory card holder. Now that's cool. That's actually pretty cool. You can store up to 6 memory cards in this holder. And that's actually something I need. And some cleaning cloths to use with the cleaning solution. And of course, cotton swabs. See, that's pretty cool that they gave you that many things. All right, not the most exciting stuff, but hey, maybe it's stuff you need. All right, 64GB memory card. Okay, guys, hold on. Quick tip for you. This camera, I think, retails for about $948. I'm pretty sure the bundle I got was $959. So for $11 more, you get all this stuff. And, well, like I said, you're not going to be using most of this stuff. But when you factor in things like this, a 64GB memory card, that alone is worth the $11, plus other things you get, like a mini tripod and spare batteries, too. Spare batteries alone are worth $11. So definitely go for this bundle if you're thinking about getting the RX100. Again, just for $11, you get so much more. Even my cat agrees. Now, come here. Come on. All right, stay down there. Camera bag. I believe it's Kodak brand. No, it's not Kodak brand. I don't know where I saw Kodak something in the bundle when I ordered it. This is an Ultimix branded camera bag. Not bad, not bad. Now this is cool. This is a rubber grip tripod. Similar to the GorillaPod, it looks like you can modify it to your liking in terms of position, angle, all that stuff. And yeah, you can. Look at that. It's actually quite flexible. And yes, it is indeed rubberized. Very nice. It's bright too, so it'll stand out if you need it to stand out. I don't know what that is. This is a cleaning pen. Yeah, a lens pen. I guess for cleaning the lens. Pretty cool. And last but not least, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable. Honestly, I didn't even know this came with the bundle. I'll have to update my blog post. Yes, there's a blog post right below. So, boom. Okay, so with all that stuff out of the way, not that it's bad stuff, but let's be honest, the most exciting part of this video is this, the Sony RX100 Mark V. So, let's open it and see what it's all about. Now, of course, I'm not going to do a test video right now. I'm sorry, because I want to charge the battery. And plus, I want to edit this video. I want to get this out for you guys as soon as possible. However, with that said, the newest weekend vlog coming out next Monday will be recorded using this camera. So stay tuned. That right there is going to be an excellent demonstration of not only video quality, but especially audio quality. Because I will say, based on past experiences, point-and-shoot cameras, their audio is okay. That's one of the things I disliked about the Canon G7X, one of the most popular vlogging cameras of all time. But me being very picky, I thought the audio was pretty bad. But according to the videos I've watched, the onboard microphone on the Sony RX100 Mark V is actually pretty good. Okay, so you get a lot of documentation, which I'm never even going to open. And here is the camera itself. Let's take this out of the protective cloth. Wow, it's smaller than I thought. Not bad. There's a front angle, back angle, and side angles. And of course, I'll talk about this in the future. But one of the most important parts, or features rather, that you have to keep an eye out for when you're looking for a vlogging camera is whether the screen articulates. And this one, it does. Look at that. It flips upwards, which is pretty cool. I think I prefer cameras with screens that come out on the sides, but honestly, not a huge deal. Boom, flips upward, and oh, okay. It actually is a little flexible. Push it in, push it back down, and boom. I gotta say, the weight, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think it's actually lighter than the Canon G7X Mark II. So something to keep in mind. You have your dial up here, built-in flash, which I don't think is necessary. I'd rather that be like a hot shoe for camera adapters and all that stuff, but not a big deal. On the bottom here, we have a memory card slot, your standard tripod mount, which I will be using with the Pixie Mini, which is going to be pretty cool. Mini HDMI over here, menu, dial over here, controls upon controls upon controls. I'll talk about that in future videos, I promise. This is just the beginning, because this is a big camera. Despite its size being very small, it's a big camera, and apparently it's a kick-ass camera. A lot of vloggers are loving it. Seriously, just do like a simple YouTube search for Sony RX100, and you'll see a ton of vloggers just praising the crap out of this camera. It's that good, apparently. Okay, we get a micro USB cable. A little strap to put on the camera itself, a little wrist strap. This should be the battery, maybe. Oh, this is a charger, USB charger. Sony branded too, so that's cool. Official stuff, love it. This is the official battery, if you're wondering, the Sony NPBX1. So keep that in mind. And this is 1240 milliamp hours, which is less than the third-party battery. But we're talking about third-party batteries here, guys. Third-party batteries aren't necessarily better than first-party batteries. But still, at least I have the choice. Can I help you, sir? And I think that's it. Yeah, guys, there you go. There is my Sony RX100 Mark V bundle. From what I can tell so far, huge success. And of course, I haven't even turned the camera on. I'm going to save that part for later, because I want to get all this stuff organized. I want to get this video edited for you guys, because that is always my top priority when unboxing things, to get the content out as fast as possible. It's a bittersweet moment, let's just call it that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to buy this bundle for yourself, I'll link it right below directly to Amazon. And I'm also going to link my blog post right below if you're looking for more textual information on this particular bundle. Thank you so much, your support means a lot, and I'll see you next time. Peace.